Let's take a look at this one. 1978 Ford F-250 crew cab. So 4 full doors in the 1978 model. Cinnamon glow paint. And as you can see, with some custom mural and design down the side of it. Underneath the hood, 460 V8 power that's paired up with a Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the front grille, chrome on the front bumper, headlight surrounds. All right, still pictures of this truck so you can see the underside, the interior engine bay, the bed. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the American Racing Chrome, I believe 10-hole wheels. Right out of the late 70s to early 80s. So vintage correct wheels. How about that? It does have the Ranger XLT package. It also has the Northland Special package. It has the tow package. And you can see that on, I guess it'd be considered a copy of the window sticker. Look in the still pictures. You'll see what I'm talking about. It'll tell you the options and how this car was equipped. Or truck, I should say, was equipped from the factory. Interior is actually original, and it's believed to be original miles, and I'll get to that in just a bit. Carpeting was replaced. Previous owner stated that, but as far as the seating surfaces, those are original, as well as the headliner. Some recent service work done to this too. It has had the radiator reconditioned. Brakes were recently gone through. Mentioned the new carpet, and there's been some paint on it, obviously, with the tailgate, a little different paint color, and there's some dings and battle wounds on some of the cinnamon glow paint. A few spots where the clear is missing, so paint shows its age a little bit. This has probably been one of those trucks that was used to put a camper in the bed of it and used for camping. That's what it would have been built for. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So we do have a few different shades of brown on here, obviously, and then, like I said, a few places where it's missing the clear. So again, paint shows its age some. A lot of life left in this truck. And how many times do you see a 78 F-250 crew cab? Drive it the way it is, or maybe take it to the next level, make a show truck out of it. Door panels, those look original. Again, newer carpeting. Seats, according to previous owner, original, and believed to be original miles. And there it is, 74,290, if you can see that. Top of the dash. Looks good. Did notice we had a little star in the windshield I want to let you know about. Pretty smooth, but I'll let you know about that. Let's go ahead and start it up. I have had the radio power up, AM radio, but I did not get reception with it. Fires right up. I did have the AC blow cold, did have the wipers working. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. That door closes nicely. Camper mirror's still on. There you get an idea how it sounds. Sounds good. It's pretty darn quiet for a 460 that's underneath the hood. All right, let me slip up to the front. Let's get a quick peek at this engine bay. See that engine running? And then, like I said, stick around to the very end of this. Jason's going to take it for a drive. There it is, underside of the hood. It's pretty good. All right, newer brake booster, master cylinder. I did mention, yes, and it definitely looks like radiator was reconditioned. That AC still cold in R12 also. Battery disconnector in between drives, running some storage. You can see some newer components, newer parts underneath the hood, so it has been a well-maintained truck. 1978 Ford F-250 Crew Cab. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1978 Ford F-250. This would be a full crew cab with full-size seats and full-size doors. I haven't seen one of these maybe ever in 1978. And this one also in great condition. The cloth bench seat looking very nice and very comfortable. This is an automatic on the column, which makes it super easy to drive. Our oil pressure is looking good at 3/4 of the way up the gauge. Fuel gauge reading 3/4 of a tank. The alternator is charging above half on the gauge, and the temperature is about 1/3 of the way up, so that's looking great. Speedometer working great. Factory AM radio.
And their goods and services to him.
Yeah.
I am sure.
Also working. Blower motor works, and the wipers are working. There is one nick in the, say, maybe 2-in-1 chip in the glass right there. But just kind of a wow moment. We've also got accessory lights up here on a ball swivel for extra lighting. The headliner looks good. The dash even looks really good. Metallic brown, what more can you ask from 1978? Of course, wood grain, and in addition to that, in the dash, it's really a throwback in really good condition. Drives nice. The kickdown does work on that automatic transmission. Rides smooth on the highway. I let go of the wheel. This truck stays right where you put it, right in the middle of the lane. No pull to either side. The horn sounds like your typical 70s horn from Ford, and it does work. When's the last time you saw a 78 F-Series crew cab? This being an F-250, even better. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this truck at UniqueClassicCars.com.